Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Mera Pehla Vote Desh Ke Liye campaign. Recently, the Education Ministry and the Information and Broadcasting Ministry jointly launched a nationwide awareness campaign, Mera Pehla Vote Desh Ke Liye, that is, my first vote for the country. Under this campaign, various events will be organized in universities, colleges, and higher education institutions to encourage the first-time voters to participate in upcoming election. The program will be continued till the 6th of March. Information and Broadcasting Minister also launched the campaign's anthem via post, stating that it was aimed at encouraging young voters to exercise their democratic right to vote. As part of the campaign, designated spaces would be identified in universities, colleges, and the higher education institutions where the voter awareness activities would be held. The initiative will witness both on-ground physical events and online competitions in MyGov platform. Various activities including competitions on blog writing, podcast, debate, essay writing, quizzes, extempore, battle of bands, etc. will be conducted to show student creativity in content creation. Interactive workshops and seminars emphasizing the value of voting, understanding the electoral process, etc. will also be organized at the institutions. Besides, the campaign will also encourage youth to take the voters' pledge on the official website to further solidify their commitment to the electoral process. They will also be encouraged to download the voter helpline app. Educational institution clubs will also participate in the campaign. Now is the time to test your knowledge. The question is, which ministries jointly launched the Mera Pehla Vote Desh Ke Liye campaign? Education and Health Ministries, Education and Information Ministries, Education and Finance Ministries, or Information and Health Ministries? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.